Now here's where it's going to get a little bit more in depth. So we have your website management. So this is where everything is going to be taking place. So we could set you up automatically with a few funnels already and a website if you need, or if you wanted to build it your own, that's perfectly fine. We do have a basic website builder built into our CRM software. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this is our blank template that we can set you up with. We'll go ahead and pull that up here, and we can customize all the data here. And this is just for a car company that we have, and we can go ahead and, oh, we want to book a visit with us and things like that. We can set all that up. And then automatically it sets up, oh, we want to book a visit. Let's take a look at that. Now, once we get to our thank you page for booking that, we can say, oh, wow, wonderful. And that's for that. Now, if you wanted a different funnel, you're going to run a different ad campaign, we can set that up as well. So it's super simple. What's your funnel? We'll do test. Go ahead and create a test here. We'll let that load. And the funnel was created. And let's just go ahead and pop out, pop back in to see, make sure that that is created. Now that the test has popped up here, we'll go ahead and take a look. Okay, what are your funnel steps do you want? Do you want, okay, landing page, perfect, and then this is going to be the landing, and then that's optional. We don't really need to worry about that. And then we want to make sure maybe we're selling a solar, so we want them to book an appointment. Book an appointment, and then we'll have that, and then this will be the booking site. And then we'll have a thank you site. So we'll have a thank you, and then the path will be thank you as well. And we'll set that up as well. And then so we'll go ahead and we can go ahead and use an existing one that we already have, whether it was a yoga studio or an offer funnel. But we'll just stick with the test right now, and that's what we're gonna. And then we don't have any funnel steps yet, so we'll just go ahead and create from blank. Now we can, and this is a full customizable thing, which you can, if you would like, we can send you some templates to work from so you're not, but this is just a basic editor. So you can go ahead and we'll add just one column here, and maybe we want to add a header. So we'll add a navigational menu. We can put your logo here, your business name, and then we want to make sure, maybe we want to put them in a progress bar. How fast are they going through the website? Or maybe we want to add let's add them a couple columns, and we'll add a few pictures in here, and then we'll have a featured item. And oh wait, maybe I didn't want to do that, so let's go ahead and delete those, and we'll just go down, and this is our featured item, and boom. And then we can go ahead and add another column here. We'll add a couple elements. What's Oh, maybe we're doing a sale, so we can go ahead and customize everything here, what we want, what's the timer, how long, things like that, what time it is. So we can set up everything we want to make a customized funnel page through here. Now it's not super advanced, but it is a very basic funnel setup. We can add a survey if we wanted to, and then we can go back over and create a survey. We don't have any surveys created just yet. We want to create a map. Oh, all right, this is where we're at, and we can go ahead and create, you know, exactly what we're looking at. What's our zoom of New York City? This is where we're located. We want to maybe go into more advanced and create a custom class, custom CSS. We can do that as well. Everything that you need if you want to do some tracking data, SEO to metadata, background, typography, all those settings are available to you to set that up. And this goes for your website as well. So if we back out and we go ahead and save, we'll just save all of this. And yeah, this will have you go ahead and set up your SEO data, which we won't do right now. But we can go ahead and set that up for you, or we can do that for your website as well. And then if you need more integration, we do have our WordPress hosting, and we can go and get you started there, and then go ahead and have everything set up right there. Or you can go ahead and import your WordPress if you already have one. And then now we have the blogs tab. Now the blogs tab is going to be kind of more of a funnel as well, but for your blog post, and this will increase your SEO data. So now I use ChatGPT to create most of our blog posts, but it's the same thing. You create, go ahead and create, we'll do test, and then test, or whatever, and then we'll let that go, and oh, we need 100 characters, unfortunately. That should be good. And then you want to make sure you have an image, which this will be your things. It's kind of hard to set up, but we'll just set up one of our basic image is right there. And then we'll go ahead and create the post. Oh, test. And then once that post is gone, now we can just set up just like a normal blog. We'll let that load there, and then boom, here's your new blog post. Why you should have, and this kind of goes into what your basic, and then you can just customize it from there. And it's like customizing your own little web page. And once you have that, you can continue, and then here's all your metadata and stuff like that, which we'll just go ahead and back out here without saving any of that. But that just allows you to create your blog post, and then you can edit, you can look how many visitors per week you have. Now, the next page we're going to take a look at is your memberships. So you can go ahead and set up your memberships in everything and look at everything set up here. And the way you set up those memberships is by going to your either your products and create a new product, or maybe it's a new offer that you want to create somebody. You can look at your analytics and everything. So if you want to create a new membership, go ahead and create that. What kind you want? Do you want it to be a sprint course membership? Show people how to do stuff. Maybe it's a marathon course. Train your audience within your specific niche. You're going to maybe nurture and mentor your network, or you're going to build your own kind of content that matches your own product for your membership. And then you're going to be able to check out how many people that opt into that membership in the last 30 days, how many sales, all of that. We're going to go on and go forth. We offer a membership for, bulk data where we do SEO training and things like that. So right here, we're going to go into our next thing, which is our forms, which we're going to go into a building. We already have ones that are customized here, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Pretty basic form collection, first name, last name, and then if you wanted more information, you just kind of drag it over. Boom. We want to know what your name is in your organization. We want to add an image here that you need to upload. Maybe we need to add a button above the image. Maybe we need to add a CAPTCHA down at the bottom. So we can go ahead and set up that form, and then we can look at our analyzation, which we don't have any, or any submissions that we have. So if maybe we want to set up a support ticket form, we can do that as well. Next, we have our survey, which is the same thing as a form, but you're just going to have difference between what you want and what you don't want. But you can add new slides into your survey. You can add different customizations, slide 1, slide 2, jump to this, and you're going to be able to build that however you want in of itself as well. We customize it like that. And then, okay, boom, first name, full name, last name, phone number. What do you want to do in your survey? And then, maybe you want to go ahead and integrate a survey that you have from something else. So let's go ahead and integrate the link here. Okay, I built it. Boom. There's your link to integrate your surveys. What kind of style do you want? Do you want specific things? Everything is in do custom fields. I really want what did they think? And then it's gonna be a single line, multi-line. Yeah, we'll do a multi-line so they can add a lot of stuff. Field name, all of that right in there. And then we can just go ahead and add that over. So that kind of just breaks down everything inside of that. And then now we're going to break down our chat widget here. So our chat widget is going to be able to implement into your website. So if it's a WordPress or the site that we build you, and this kind of breaks down everything that goes through. And now people who have now with this chat bubble, we can go ahead and get everything that we need to from the maybe a client has information that they want to ask, or maybe they want to get in touch a little bit sooner. This will just go ahead and pop up on their page. You can see exactly what they want. You can add custom fields here. You can make custom colors, and then you can be exactly what you want them to say and how they want it to go through. And you can go ahead and get the code for that and customize the code via all of this. And this will go straight to your website. And now here's another way to get to your media, which will just take you to your settings, and then you have your URL redirects if you need that as well. Now those are all set in your settings, and that's just kind of your sites tab. Now we can go over more in depth if we need to, but I feel like everything is pretty straightforward as long as those go, and we kind of went over everything as far as the sites go.